What's up, guys? It's Karen, and welcome back to Three Inquisitive Kids. Lately, I've been surfing the net, and I came across this math problem. X minus 1 over 40 plus x over 41 plus x plus 1 over 42 is equal to 3. And you're being asked to solve for x. So, I have two separate solutions to this problem. But first, I want you to try to pause the video and solve this on your own. And once you come up with a solution, you can feel free to post it in the comments down below, and we can all talk and discuss with each other about each other's solutions. So go ahead and pause the video now. Alright, I'm so curious to hear what your solution is. And now I'm going to show you mine. First, when I looked at this, I noticed that there was the number 3 and there was 3 separate fractions. And I also noticed two patterns. The numerators each increased by 1 and the denominators as well. Well, the first thing I did was just guess x is equal to 41. And that works because this would be 1 plus, it would be 40 over 40 plus 41 over 41 plus 42 over 42, which of course would be equal to 3. But then I pushed myself to think more, because math is all about challenging yourself and exploring new things. So what would be a more mathematical and more precise solution I could use to help myself solve this problem? Well, here is my method. First, subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. And then I decided to split this 3 up into 3 ones, and then subtract each fraction by 1. I ended up with x minus 41 over 40 plus x minus 41 over 41 plus x minus 41 over 42, and those are equal to 0. Of course, seeing that all of their numerators are the same, I factored out x minus 41 from 1/40th, 1 over 41, and 1 over 42, and it gave me x minus 41 times these three fractions. And we know that these two things multiplied together is equal to 0. If two things multiply to become 0, at least one of those terms is equal to 0 themselves. And I don't need to solve for the exact sum of these three fractions, because I know it definitely will not be equal to 0, which means that x minus 41 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 41. So this is my final answer, and I know this is because it's a linear equation, and linear equations only have one solution, so this would be the final solution. Always make sure that you're checking your answers and making sure you're not skipping over anything, because in many problems there's tricks, and maybe you have to talk about it in different scenarios. If this, then that. Or maybe there's a positive and a negative. Maybe there's absolute value involved. So there's all sorts of things like that that you will have to check and think about. Of course, another solution was just to find the LCM, least common denominator, of 40, 41, 42, and multiply it on both sides, and then just do it the traditional way. But I feel like this way was much more easier and more straightforward for me. Again, I'm still really excited and stoked to hear what you guys have to say about this problem. I thought it was really fun and interesting to share my solution with you guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Again, thank you, and see you next time.